My name is Leonie O'Connell and I'm with Momentum Financial Planning. Today I'd like to speak just a little bit into money and savings. You find that there's a few savings vehicles that we can look at. You'll have short-term savings vehicles, medium savings vehicles and long-term savings vehicles. The length of your saving vehicle will definitely determine the type of risk you'll face in the market. We'll be able to do a risk analysis for you to assess your risk appetite, and then from there we'll be able to give you a savings vehicle that you can look at that would be appropriate for your needs. One thing that we did speak about today is having a savings nest that most people don't have, about paying yourself first as far as savings goes. And what that entails is to just put away an amount of money every single month to ensure that you've got at least 3 to 6 months saved in a normal savings vehicle, savings account, that in case something happens, in case of an emergency, you've got a fund that's easy accessible that you can use straight away. Your short-term savings accounts would be accounts like unit trusts that's accessible within 48 to 72 hours. And that would be more for things like holidays, if you wanted to take a holiday, if your family is saving towards that, if you wanted to purchase anything for the house, just short-term savings vehicles for money that's easy accessible. If you look at your medium savings term, that would be vehicles between 5 to 10 years. There's a lot of vehicles available in the market that you can use for medium terms. One of them, for example, would be an endowment that would give you an opportunity to save for children's education, a new vehicle, something that's obviously medium term. You can also have a lot of asset allocations available to your choice in those vehicles, and your growth would be better than that of in a money account or just a bond or cash. Your long-term savings vehicles would be definitely for retirement saving. That would be something like a retirement annuity that will not be accessible to you over the short term, medium term, but that you'd be able to access on the day of retirement. Most people are not disciplined savers. That's why a retirement vehicle is a great vehicle to put away retirement savings for yourself, because the money will not be accessible to you up until the age of 55. And it's also not accessible to your creditors. So it is a safe vehicle to save for your retirement. A good threshold to have, getting back to your nest egg, would be 3 to 6 months to put away for short-term goals. Your retirement annuity, people often ask how much is enough to save. A good idea to think about is how much you'll be able to draw out of your retirement annuity. Most people don't think about the fact that if they want to draw 10,000 Rand a month for retirement, that literally means that you have to save 10,000 Rand a month towards retirement. So bear that in mind when you take out your retirement annuity and when you sit with your financial advisor. Your financial advisor would also be able to assess your financial needs, analyze it for you, and tell you what vehicles will be accessible and would be most suitable for your needs when it comes to your short-term, medium and long-term saving goals. Your financial advisor would be able to walk a path with you throughout your financial goals, help you set them, and ensure that your portfolio gets reviewed on an annual basis, or even more frequently if it so needs to be. They'd be able to guide you and assist you with all the questions you have, and plan your financial future so that you and your family can be secure and sleep with peace of mind.